Viewers on the same, Piyush, for the moment, thank you very much. Quickly moving on to another breaking update. What we are getting to know that the All India Muslim Personal Law Board has opposed the government directive to organize a Surya Namaskar program in schools between the 1st and the 7th of January on the 75th anniversary. What is being said? Surya Namaskar is a form of Surya Puja, and it goes against the very principles of Islam. So that is what is being said on this directive that has been earlier given out by Karnataka, where government circular mentioned to conduct at least a week-long yoga exercises and Surya Namaskar sessions that could be starting in all schools and pre-university colleges has turned controversial, with several institutes accusing the government of attempting to saffronize school education, and the All India Muslim Personal Law Board has registered a protest saying that this goes against the principles of Islam, and hereafter they will not be allowing the students there to participate in such events. So this is coming in the line of the centre's directive that many of those states have issued this circular now, and they have asked the educational institutions to hold Surya Namaskar sessions during the morning assembly for at least 7 days, and to ensure that there is a maximum participation. Now, this is coming at a time when this countrywide event that is expected to be held to mark the 26th of January Republic Day celebrations along with the 75 years of India's independence. Ankit, this controversy we are looking over happening over Surya Namaskar and the circular that has now been issued.
Absolutely, Amita. This is the All India Muslim Personal Law Board, the AIMPLB, which has issued a circular citing its chief that is saying that Surya Namaskar is a form of worshipping the sun. It is a form of Surya worship, and that Islam doesn't allow it. In the circular, it goes on to talk about how India is a secular country, and its constitution has also been scripted on the basis of it not having any religion, officially accepting any religion, and that is the reason why it says that this is against the ethos of India. Now, I must remind viewers that we are in the countdown to the 75th completion of 75 years of independence, and it is in this context that the program to conduct Surya Namaskar in schools was called upon. Now, this is then the program that the All India Muslim Personal Law Board has objected to. There is, of course, as far as I am aware, there is not really a religious connotation, even though it is called Surya Namaskar. It is a practice that is considered beneficial to one's health, and it is something that is followed by people of all age groups, not just at schools. But the AIMPLB is taking umbrage over it. It's calling it a form of Surya worship or sun worship, which it says is prohibited according to the tenets of Islam. And that is the reason why this is the letter. You can find the letter as well as its translation on Republic World very, very shortly, Amita. So that is what it is. That is the big controversy at the moment. The Surya Namaskar program that is to be organized in schools in the lead up to India completing 75 years of independence, and in the lead up to Republic Day, which is just coming up. This is the program that the AIMPLB has objected to. And you can find this letter on Republic World right now. Back to you, Amita.
No, because Ankit, as we are waiting for more reactions to come across, this is something that has happened. All right, I'm told that Mr. Gaurav Bhatia of the BJP is with us on the phone line. Mr. Bhatia, as I was saying, that this has happened on the occasion when the International Yoga Day was being celebrated for the first time, and thereafter we are looking at following years that such controversies are made, or rather happens during the time anywhere where yoga is involved with school students, sir. Mr. Bhatia, can you hear me, sir? All right, I have Vinod Bansal ji also with us on the phone line. Bansal ji, आपको क्या कहना है जहां तक सूर्य नमस्कार को लेकर सवाल उठाए जा रहे हैं by the All India Muslim Personal Law Board?
देखिए, चाहे ऑल इंडिया मुस्लिम पर्सनल बोर्ड हो या दारुल देवबंद हो, ये इस तरह की जो इस्लामिक जिहादी तंजीमें हैं, वो ऐसी चीजों का विरोध करके नुकसान किसका कर रही हैं? ये अपनी और अपनी कम्युनिटी का। जो लोग सूर्य नमस्कार का विरोध कर रहे हैं, वो किसी हिंदुत्व का नुकसान नहीं कर रहे, किसी हिंदू का नुकसान नहीं कर रहे। दे आर गोइंग टू डैमेज देयर ओन दिस पीपल्स। आप देखिए कि ये जो जिस तरह की मानसिकता है, ये सिर्फ भारत के ही कुछ जिहादी तत्वों के मन में ही आती है। ये जब सऊदी अरेबिया उसको सूर्य नमस्कार को कर सकता है, जब बाकी कंट्रीज कर सकते हैं, इस्लामिक देश सारे सूर्य नमस्कार कर रहे हैं, तो इनको पता नहीं कहाँ रिलीजन घुस जाता है इनके माइंड में। दे आर गोइंग टू आइसोलेट द इंडियन मुस्लिम्स फ्रॉम द रेस्ट ऑफ द वर्ल्ड। और वो आइसोलेशन जो कि धीरे धीरे करके जो पनप रहा है, उसी के कारण इस्लाम की छवि पूरे ग्लोबली उस तरह की बन रही है कि ये तो जिहादिस्ट हैं, दे शुड बी आइसोलेटेड। खुद मुसलमान जो भारत के बाहर के हैं, वो भारत के मुसलमानों को मुसलमान नहीं मानते। क्यों? क्योंकि इस तरह की मानसिकता के लोग हैं, भारत के मुसलमानों को स्वस्थ नहीं देखना चाहते। ये नहीं चाहते कि आखिरकार वो जो मुसलमान हैं भारत की रीति नीति के साथ जुड़ सकें। इसमें रिलीजन कहाँ है सूर्य नमस्कार में? और अगर वो रिलीजन समझते हैं तो वी आर प्राउड ऑफ इट। डेफिनेटली हम तो शुरू से सूर्य की आराधना करते चले आ रहे हैं। सूर्य तो आपको भी ऊर्जा देता है और हमें भी ऊर्जा देता है। मैं तो चैलेंज करता हूँ इनको कि सूर्य के बिना रहकर दिखा दो एक सेकंड के लिए भी। जब सूर्य के बिना आप रह नहीं सकते तो सूर्य को नमस्कार करने में क्या दिक्कत है? ये तो वही नमक हरामी वाली बात होगी। मैं अगर सही शब्दों में बोलूँ तो जिसको जो सब कुछ
नहीं सर, ये जहां तक हम बात कर रहे हैं, ये जो एक लेटर है वो ऑल इंडिया मुस्लिम पर्सनल लॉ बोर्ड की तरफ से सामने उन्होंने आया है और उन्होंने रखी हैं अपनी बातें और उन्होंने कहा है कि एक तरीके से डज नॉट फॉलो द प्रिंसिपल्स ऑफ इस्लाम, जहां तक वो फॉलो करते हैं। और दिस इज द कंट्रोवर्सी बंसल साहब, जो हम देखते हैं हर बारी, चाहे इंटरनेशनल योग दिवस क्यों ना हो, उस बार ये हमेशा आती रहती है। व्हेन इट कम्स टू इंटरनेशनल योगा डे, वी नो दैट इट इज सेलिब्रेटेड वर्ल्ड वाइड, and this is something that such kind of controversy is not new. Thank you very much Bansal साहब हमारे साथ जुड़ने के लिए on the broadcast. But the All India Muslim Personal Law Board, they're issuing its own protest in a form where the circular that has been issued on part of state governments there as to follow up having these events which involves Surya Namaskars in schools and many of those educational institutes, that has turned controversial, with several of them accusing the government and the All India Muslim Personal Law Board especially, where it is accusing the government of attempting to divide the students on communal lines. And what is being said in this circular, that which asks the institutes to hold Surya Namaskar sessions during the morning assembly for at least 7 days and to ensure that there is maximum participation. So what is being said so far, this purpose of event and this initiative is to train students and teachers for mass Surya Namaskar sessions that will be held countrywide to mark Republic Day that falls on the 26th of January. Piyush, what is this controversy all about, especially the letter that we have put forth for our viewers to see by the All India Muslim Personal Law Board? Yes, Piyush. So this circular there, which is what is creating controversy according to the All India Muslim Personal Law Board, saying that it goes very against the very ethos of Islam and the principles there, where people who follow Islam or other religions do not bow or worship the sun god, and thereafter it cannot be followed by the students there itself. And it has now become controversial, with the All India Muslim Personal Law Board registering its protest, saying that it is an attempt by the government to saffronize education and to divide the students along communal lines. So that is also, we'll put forth the letter that has now been issued by the All India Muslim Personal Law Board, that they are saying that this is a form of Surya Puja and Islam does not allow it. So All India Muslim Personal Law Board has opposed Surya Namaskar, and this is a circular to conduct at least week-long yoga exercises as Surya Namaskar that is being said to be conducted in schools and pre-university colleges.